In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize templates in Monday.com. Templates are a great way to save time and keep your workflows consistent across your team. Instead of rebuilding the same board structure over and over, you can design it once, turn it into a template, and then reuse it whenever you need. Let's walk through how to do that step by step. First, start by opening the board you want to use as a template. This should be a board that already has the structure you like, the right groups, columns, and general layout. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the closer it is to what you want to reuse, the less editing you'll need to do later. Once your board is open, look at the top right corner of the board header and click on the three dots icon. This opens up a menu with additional actions for your board. From that menu, hover over or click on More Actions, and then select Save as a Template. When you do this, Monday.com will ask what you want to do with the board. You can either move the board to the template center or duplicate it. Moving it means the original board becomes the actual template and is stored with your templates. Duplicating it creates a template copy while leaving your original board in your workspace as is. If you're already using the board actively with your team, duplicating is usually the safer option so you don't disrupt ongoing work. Next, you'll be asked to set the privacy of your template. You can choose Standard, which makes the template visible to all members who have access to that workspace, or Private, which restricts it to selected people. Choose the option that fits how broadly you want your template to be used, then click Create Template. That's it. Your board is now saved as a template and will be available in the Template Center. Now let's look at how to customize existing templates, whether they're ones you created or ones provided by Monday.com. From your workspace, click the plus icon to add something new and choose Template Center. This will open the gallery of available templates. Browse or search for the template you want to use, then click on it and select Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on that template. Once the new board is created, you can start customizing it. To rename any column, just click on the column header and type in the new name. You can do the same for group names along the left side of the board. This is useful for aligning the template with your team's terminology. If you need to adjust the structure, look for the plus icon to add new columns. You can choose different column types depending on what data you want to track. To remove columns you don't need, open the column menu for that specific column and delete it. Cleaning up a template like this helps keep your boards focused and easier for your team to use. After you've made all your changes and you're happy with how this customized board looks, you can turn it into a new template for your team. To do that, just follow the same process as before. Open the three dots menu on the top right of the board, go to More Actions, and select Save as a Template. This way, your updated version becomes the new standard that everyone can access and reuse.